Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are in downtown Kingston and we are by the Kingston Harbour and we want to talk about the City of Kingston sign. Now this will probably be the perfect location for the sign. Now we're thinking, as it was originally thought of, to put the sign in the ocean or the Caribbean Sea, the harbour basically. So where you have that wall, put the sign in the harbour, have lights on it the whole 9 yards, and then people can stand up on the boardwalk here and take pictures on the sign. But the sign will be so big and it will be in the water, very nicely done in the harbour. Now, signs are very popular, and we don't have any sign that says on this side, coming on Port Royal Street into the City of Kingston. There is no sign that says City of Kingston. There is a sign that says, okay, this bus looks like it's having some technical issues. There is a sign that says Downtown Kingston, but no sign that says Welcome to the City of Kingston. Now, originally, they had wanted to put the sign in the harbour. And they should put up a sign that you can on both sides. So if you're over, say, at the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, which is that tall building to the right, that tall building there now, that one to the left, you can see it. And if you're on this side, you can also see it. So ships coming in can see it, people staying at the hotel can see it, and people driving in can see it. They originally wanted to put it in the harbour, but the cost was too much when they looked at it, so they changed the idea and wanted to put it somewhere on land. But this was a couple years ago and still no sign. I mean, since they've started to discuss this, the Negril sign has gone up, the Montego Bay sign has gone up, the Bull Bay sign has gone up, the Morant Bay sign has gone up, yet still no sign for the City of Kingston. So that's what we suggest. Put it in the harbour where we started the video. That's the Grace Kennedy building on the right, and on the left is Ministry of Foreign Affairs. Okay, out here now, to the right of where we are, we can right there on the right, on the roundabout, is the Downtown Kingston sign. Average, a nice sign, but nothing too spectacular. That's why we want the City of Kingston sign, the sign for the capital of Jamaica, to be the largest city in Jamaica, to be more spectacular than the other signs. And one thing I've noticed when they put up these signs, maybe it is that they didn't expect a lot of people to be stopping and taking pictures with the signs, but there's no parking. Where we started the video at that spot, there you can park there, come out to your car, take pictures. There's a boardwalk there, you have the harbour in the background with a sign. That would be perfect. So guys, let us know what you think about that location for the City of Kingston sign. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour as we drive through downtown Kingston. Alright guys, have a good day. That building on the right is the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. That building on the left is Bank of Jamaica. And in between them, that's the Scotia Centre. And to the right, that's Grace Kennedy building. And behind these buildings is the ROK Hotel. A lot of massive infrastructure in downtown Kingston. Alright guys, leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.